तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? ये मेरा है. This is mine. This is mine. मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. तुम ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. I really like this. I really like this. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? ये कहाँ से मिलेगा? Where can I find this? Where can I find this? मुझे आशा है कि तुम ठीक होगे. I hope you will be okay. I hope you will be okay. ये बहुत भारी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मुझे और चाहिए. I want more. I want more. तुमने मुझसे क्यों नहीं पूछा? Why didn't you ask me? Why didn't you ask me? ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? मुझे इस पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't trust this. I don't trust this. तुम्हारे साथ रहना अच्छा लगा. It was nice being with you. It was nice being with you. मुझे उस पर गर्व है. I am proud of him. I am proud of him. मुझे ये समझ में आ गया है. I have understood this. I have understood this. तुम्हें जाना चाहिए. You should go. You should go. तुम ये कर सकते हो? You can do this. You can do this. मुझे इस पर विचार करना होगा. I will have to think about this. I will have to think about this. ये बहुत जल्द हो गया. This happened too quickly. This happened too quickly. मुझे इसका कोई अंदाजा नहीं था. I had no idea about this. I had no idea about this. तुम इसे बेहतर कर सकते हो. You can do better. You can do better. ये समय आ गया है. The time has come. The time has come. मुझे ये उचित नहीं लगता. This doesn't seem fair. This doesn't seem fair. तुम मुझे बताओ. You tell me. You tell me. ये कब तक चलेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? मुझे यहाँ रहना है. I want to stay here. I want to stay here. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? मुझे वो चाहिए. I want that. I want that. तुमने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है. I am not used to this. I am not used to this. तुम इसे क्यों लाए? Why did you bring this? Why did you bring this? मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. ये बहुत जल्द खत्म हो गया. This ended too quickly. This ended too quickly. मुझे उस पर विश्वास है. I trust him. I trust him. तुम्हारी क्या राय है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मुझे इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. I have nothing to do with this. I have nothing to do with this. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मुझे अच्छा लगा तुम्हें देखकर. It was nice to see you. It was nice to see you. ये कितना समय लेगा? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? मुझे वहां जाना है. I need to go there. I need to go there. तुम ये बात कैसे जानते हो? How do you know this? How do you know this? मुझे डर लग रहा है. I am scared. I am scared. ये बहुत कठिन है. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. तुम मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझे वहां नहीं जाना है. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. तुमने ये कैसे पाया? How did you find this? How did you find this? मुझे इसकी समझ नहीं है. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है. I am very happy. I am very happy. ये कौन कर सकता है? Who can do this? Who can do this? तुम इसे क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you do it? Why don't you do it? मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. ये बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It is too late. It is too late. मुझे इसकी आवश्यकता है. I need this. I need this. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मुझे ये नहीं करना है. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. तुम्हें वहां कैसे पता चला? How did you find out about that place? How did you find out about that place? मुझे इससे डर लगता है. This scares me. This scares me. ये मेरे लिए क्या मायने रखता है? What does this mean to me? What does this mean to me? तुम इसे अच्छे से कर सकते हो. You can do this well. You can do this well. मुझे यहाँ कोई पसंद नहीं है. I don't like anyone here. I don't like anyone here. तुम क्यों रुके? Why did you stop? Why did you stop? मुझे इसकी आदत पड़ गई है. I have gotten used to this. I have gotten used to this. ये बहुत छोटा है. This is too small. This is too small. तुम्हारा जवाब क्या है? What is your answer? What is your answer? मुझे बहुत थकान महसूस हो रही है. I feel very tired. I feel very tired. ये मेरे लिए नहीं है. This is not for me. This is not for me. तुमने ये क्यों चुना? Why did you choose this? Why did you choose this? मुझे विश्वास है कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. I believe that you can do this. I believe that you can do this. तुम मुझे बहुत याद आते हो. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. मुझे इसके बारे में और जानना है. I want to know more about this. I want to know more about this. ये मेरे लिए काफी अजीब है. This is quite strange for me. This is quite strange for me. तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? मुझे यहाँ से जाना होगा. I have to go from here. I have to go from here. तुम इसे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand this? Can you understand this? मुझे इसका कोई फायदा नहीं दिख रहा है. I don't see any benefit in this. I don't see any benefit in this. ये मेरे लिए बहुत जटिल है. This is too complicated for me. This is too complicated for me. तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? मुझे इस पर कुछ सोचना होगा. I will have to think about this. I will have to think about this. ये बहुत आसान है. This is very easy. This is very easy. तुम इसे कैसे सुलझाओगे? How will you solve this? How will you solve this? मुझे इससे बेहतर उम्मीद थी. I expected better from this. I expected better from this. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is too big. This is too big. मुझे इस पर कुछ विचार करना होगा. I need to think about this. I need to think about this. तुम्हारी क्या जरूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आता. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. तुम इसे कब तक रखोगे? How long will you keep this? How long will you keep this? ये मेरा अंतिम निर्णय है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. मुझे वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए था. I shouldn't have gone there. I shouldn't have gone there. तुम्हारी क्या योजना है? What is your plan? What is your plan? मुझे ये बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है. This seems very difficult to me. This seems very difficult to me. तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? तुमने ये कब सीखा? When did you learn this? When did you learn this? मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. ये मेरे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important to me. This is very important to me. तुम्हें क्यों लगता है कि ये सही है? Why do you think this is right? Why do you think this is right? ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. मुझे और कुछ चाहिए. I need something else. I need something else. तुम इसे क्यों लेकर आई? Why did you bring this? Why did you bring this? मुझे इससे कोई शिकायत नहीं है. I have no complaints about this. I have no complaints about this. ये बहुत बुरा है. This is very bad. This is very bad. तुम इसे कैसे उपयोग करते हो? How do you use this? How do you use this? मुझे ये करना पसंद नहीं है. I don't like to do this. I don't like to do this. तुम इसे बेचोगे कब? When will you sell this? When will you sell this? मुझे ये जानने की जरूरत है. I need to know this. I need to know this. ये किसने कहा? Who said this? Who said this? मुझे उसकी मदद की जरूरत है. I need his help. I need his help. तुम इसे कैसे ठीक करोगे? How will you fix this? How will you fix this? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. ये मत कहो. Don't say this. Don't say this. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. इसे समझो. Understand this. Understand this. मुझे जवाब दो. Answer me. Answer me. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? इसे रोको. Stop this. Stop this. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. तुम ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? मुझे यकीन है. I am sure. I am sure. तुम चले जाओ. You go away. You go away. मुझे छोड़ दो. Leave me. Leave me. ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. मुझे ये पसंद है. I like this. I like this. इसे खत्म करो. Finish this. Finish this. तुम्हारा क्या हाल है? How are you? How are you? तुम क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand? मुझे चिंता है. I am worried. I am worried. तुम इधर आओ. You come here. You come here. इसे बदलो. Change this. Change this. मुझे बताओ क्या हुआ. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. इसे भूल जाओ. Forget this. Forget this. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. ये मुझे दो. Give this to me. Give this to me. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. इसे सुनो. Listen to this. Listen to this. तुम्हें समझना होगा. I have to understand. I have to understand. इसे आजमाओ. Try this. Try this. तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? मुझे डर लग रहा है. I am scared. I am scared. इसे ले जाओ. Take this away. Take this away. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? मुझे समझाओ. Explain to me. Explain to me. तुम्हें देखकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. इसे मत छोड़ो. Don't leave this. Don't leave this. मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है. I need you. I need you. तुम्हारी मदद की जरूरत है. Your help is needed. Your help is needed. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. तुम्हारी बात मान लेंगे. Will consider your point. Will consider your point. ये करना जरूरी है. This needs to be done. This needs to be done. इसे खोलो. Open this. Open this. तुम यहीं रुको. You stay here. You stay here. इसे बाहर निकालो. Take this out. Take this out. तुम मुझे सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मुझे इसकी आदत है. I am used to this. I am used to this. तुम इसे कर सकते हो. You can do this. You can do this. मुझे विश्वास करो. Trust me. Trust me. इसे मत भूलना. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. तुम ठीक तो हो? Are you all right? Are you all right? मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. तुम इसे ले लो. You take this. You take this. मुझे माफ कर दो. Forgive me. Forgive me. तुम्हें वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए. You shouldn't go there. You shouldn't go there. ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important. This is very important. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. इसे मत तोड़ो. Don't break this. Don't break this. तुम यहां से जाओ. You leave from here. You leave from here. मुझे ये कहना ही होगा. I have to say this. I have to say this. तुम जल्दी करो. You hurry up. You hurry up. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do this carefully. Do this carefully. मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this. I don't want this. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? इसे देख लो. Check this out. Check this out. तुम मेरी बात मानो. You listen to me. You listen to me. ये गलत है. This is wrong. This is wrong. मुझे याद दिलाना. Remind me. Remind me. तुम्हारा धन्यवाद. Thank you. Thank you. इसे वापस कर दो. Return this. Return this. तुम्हारे बिना नहीं चलेगा. It won't work without you. It won't work without you. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. इसे बंद करो. Close this. Close this. तुम यहां कैसे आए? How did you come here? How did you come here? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. तुम मत जाओ. You don't go. You don't go. इसे साफ करो. Clean this. Clean this. मुझे सब समझ में आ गया है. I have understood everything. I have understood everything. तुम इसे नहीं देख सकते. Can't you see this? Can't you see this? मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. तुम यहाँ रुक सकते हो. Can you stay here? Can you stay here? तुम्हारी याद आती है. I miss you. I miss you. मुझे आशा है. I hope. I hope. तुम इसे संभाल सकते हो. You can handle this. You can handle this. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. तुम इधर मत देखो. Don't look here. Don't look here. मुझे ये चाहिए था. I needed this. I needed this. तुम कुछ खाओगे? Will you eat something? Will you eat something? इसे मत खो. Don't lose this. Don't lose this. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ में आई. I understood your point. I understood your point. इसे मत छूना. Don't touch this. Don't touch this. तुम ये कर सकते हो. You can do this. You can do this. मुझे इसका इंतज़ार था. I was waiting for this. I was waiting for this. तुम कुछ कहना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? ये सब मेरे लिए नया है. All this is new to me. All this is new to me. तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. इसे पकड़ो. Hold this. Hold this. तुम ये क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking this? Why are you asking this? मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है. I trust you. I trust you. इसे लिख डालो. Write this down. Write this down. तुम मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you joking? Are you joking? इसे गंभीरता से लें. Take this seriously. Take this seriously. मुझे शक है. I have a doubt. I have a doubt. तुम इसे भेज दो. You send this. You send this. इसे मत खो देना. Don't lose this. Don't lose this. तुम्हारा क्या इरादा है? What do you intend? What do you intend? मुझे ये सुनकर अच्छा लगा. I am glad to hear this. I am glad to hear this. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मुझे ये नहीं करना. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. तुम इसे पढ़ो. You read this. You read this. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very urgent. This is very urgent. मुझे इस पर गर्व है. I am proud of this. I am proud of this. तुम यहाँ मत बैठो. Don't sit here. Don't sit here. इसे मत खरीदो. Don't buy this. Don't buy this. तुम क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे इस पर विश्वास है. I believe in this. I believe in this. तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए. You should do this. You should do this. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. तो मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. इसे फेंक दो. Throw this away. Throw this away. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. I have something to say to you. I have something to say to you. तुम इसे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand this? Why don't you understand this? इसे मत छिपाओ. Don't hide this. Don't hide this. मुझे तुमसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I did not expect this from you. I did not expect this from you. तुम्हारी क्या राय है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? मुझे ये ठीक लगा है. This seems fine to me. This seems fine to me. तुम इसे अच्छे से करो. Do this well. Do this well. ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. मुझे इससे प्यार है. I love this. I love this. तुम इसे मत बदलो. Don't change this. Don't change this. ये कैसे होगा? How will this happen? How will this happen? तुम ये करने में सक्षम हो. You are capable of doing this. You are capable of doing this. इसे संभाल के रखना. Keep this carefully. Keep this carefully. तुम इसे क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते? Why don't you try this? Why don't you try this? मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है. I need you. I need you. ये मुझे मत दिखाओ. Don't show this to me. Don't show this to me. तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है? What do you think? What do you think? इसे छोड़ दो. Let it go. Let it go. तुम इसे कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? मुझे ये समझने में समय लगेगा. It will take me time to understand this. It will take me time to understand this. तुम इसे कब करोगे? When will you do this? When will you do this? इसे यहीं छोड़ दो. Leave this here. Leave this here.
सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नई सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.